A waft of very warm and humid air is extending northwards across Britain through the middle of this week. For Tuesday, it's rather a damp and murky picture across western Scotland as the air is being drawn in off the Atlantic, so some drizzly conditions for a while. That may linger around some western coasts for a good part of the day, although things will brighten up a bit from the south across the West Highlands and cloud banks will tend to lift and break. Across eastern parts of the Highlands, it's a generally dry, bright picture with any cloud breaking up to give some increasingly warm sunshine. Likewise, across the south of Scotland, cloud will break, and for England and Wales, it's generally a sunny day, very warm and humid conditions and not too much wind. So really one to be aware of dehydration and sunburn. It's still strong September sun that's around at the moment. That will be a very similar story onwards into Wednesday as well. We've got high pressure sitting just to the east of us. We've got low pressure developing from the southwest to create some complications as we head further onwards. Now that's already starting to brew up some bursts of rain and locally thundery bursts coming into southwest England, getting northwards into Wales as time goes on. Just watch the latest details on that one because there could be some heavy rain that sets in across South Wales as we head into the afternoon and evening time. Some bursts of rain may just pop up locally across the Highlands too if the humidity of the day gets to work. Isolated chance of a thundery shower, but most places dry, bright, warm, very warm sunshine and not too much wind once again. A little bit hazy the atmosphere, so distant views not particularly sparkling, but many mountains free of low cloud. Thursday, though, fills in with a very messy sort of day. We've got that area of low pressure and fronts pushing northwards and eastwards, so some bursts of rain scattered around almost anywhere. You may well get away dry for a good few hours, but also the risk of a few hours where rain is frequent and some heavy and locally thundery bursts are going to be in the picture as well. It's a complicated sort of weather day, but one where you may not be too far from a burst of rain. Low cloud all over the place across the hills where rain does occur, but some breaks will be around where it's dry for any length of time. Still quite warm and humid, temperatures just tending to come down and fresher conditions will be moving in for the end of the week. More details on that in the full planning video on Tuesday. That's your fleeting view for today. Thanks for watching.